In this video, I will tell you how to hide COD for some collection. So for this, I have used advanced cash on delivery app. You can also install the same app from Shopify app store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on advanced cash on delivery app. Then limit COD based on product configure button. Then you need to select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery, you need to toggle on this button and you need to select your delivery method. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I'm toggling off this button. Then you need to click on collection and change the status to enabled. Then select hide COD for this collection. Then select collection and click on add and save your changes. Now we will test this on our online store. Add any product to the cart and proceed to the checkout and fill the full address. So here you can see only prepaid options are available because this product lies under that particular collection. Now we will check for any another product. So here we can see cash on delivery is available for any other product. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to hide COD based on collection. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.